Welcome to DLM-Distribution DLM Campervans. Today I'm highlighting a Mini T basic conversion on a 2019 low mileage Transit Connect. A Mini T basic conversion from DLM will still get you the solar, max air fan, TV DVD player, refrigerator, camper starter kit, front privacy curtain plus front WeatherTech sunshades, a little table, the TV, DVD player, your outlet, 2 house batteries, your storage under the bed, this vehicle has sync, navigation, the Ford Pass, under 4,000 miles. It also has the great safety feature of the lane alert, the blind spot indicator. Give us a call, 651-285-7089, or visit our website at www.dlm-distribution.com. If you're looking for more features like a sink and a microwave, we also have those units available. Happy camping!